Welcome to Kazi Bappi Europe vlog. This is Kazi Bappi with you today. Let's start. Did you hear about the iPhone that got a job at the factory? It had to take a crash course on working on the assembly line. Now we all know iPhones are more than just pretty faces. They're integral parts of our lives, our trusty sidekicks. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the intricate ballet that goes on behind the scenes to bring these marvels to life? It's a fascinating dance of technology and precision. So, are you ready to dive into the world of iPhone manufacturing? Hold on to your hats because it's a wild ride. Our journey begins with a blueprint, much like an architect's plan for a house. But instead of bricks and mortar, we're using silicon and magic. Now imagine you're a tiny electron, buzzing through the labyrinth of circuits in this blueprint. You're the lifeblood of our device, carrying information at lightning speed, but remember, you're not born a genius. So, let's take a step back. How do you, our little electron friend, get so smart? It's all thanks to the brain of the operation, the chip. In a process that's as mysterious as a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat, we carve intricate patterns onto a silicon wafer, creating a complex network of transistors. With a dash of pixie dust and a sprinkle of fairy magic, we turn this wafer into an intelligent microprocessor. And voila, we have a chip that's ready to think faster than you can blink. Now that we have our brainy chip, it's time to give it a body, much like Frankenstein's monster, but less scary and more shiny. Imagine a futuristic ballet. Robots delicately maneuvering, integrating the chip into the phone's body with surgical precision. It's not rocket science, it's phone science. And yes, it's a thing. Next, the screen and the battery join the party, forming a sort of electronic sandwich. A splash of color is added, with the casing sliding on like a snug winter coat. Now it's starting to look like the iPhone we all know and love, but don't get too attached yet. The newborn iPhone must first pass a series of rigorous tests. It's like the phone equivalent of an obstacle course. If it survives, it's ready for the big wide world. And just like that, we have a shiny new iPhone ready to take over the world, or at least your social life. So next time you're typing a text or taking a selfie, remember the complex journey your iPhone has been through. It's been designed, assembled, tested, and packaged, kind of like how we go through stages in life. From the awkward teenage phase of chip insertion to the mature packaging stage, your iPhone's journey mirrors ours, but with less acne and heartbreak. And who knows, maybe your iPhone has more tales to tell from the assembly line than you do from your last vacation. Please like, comment, and subscribe the channel if you really like our video.